Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Walker Skin Protect review. So you might be wondering, what is Walker Skin Protect? Now, Walker Skin Protect here is a topical facial and neck serum marketed as a rejuvenating skincare product, particularly for melanin-rich skin. Now, the brand says it is designed to target the appearance of fine lines, dark spots, uneven skin tone, dark circles, and loss of firmness. Now, its three highlighted ingredients are gotu kola, centella asiatica, Barbados cherry, and black castor oil, as you can see in their website. Now, in this case, according to the brand's description here, the serum is intended to support smoother, more hydrated, and firmer looking complexion. The website also uses claims about reactivating a collagen 7 gene. Now, those are claims that you will be able to see in their website. Now, in this case, how do you exactly use the Walker Skin Protect? Now, according to them, the recommended routine is quite simple. Now, you want to start with a clean, dry face and apply a small amount of serum in your hands or directly in your face, and basically spread it across your face and neck. Now, the brand recommends using it every night, leaving it on overnight rather than rinsing it off. Now, a patch test before applying a new skincare product for your entire face is also a sensible precaution here, just to be on the safe side, just in case you are allergic in certain ingredients. Now, the manufacturer here also says that the serum is actually compatible with common skincare products such as cleansers, moisturizers, and sunscreen. Now, daily sunscreen is particularly relevant here when addressing the appearance of pigmentation and uneven skin tone. Now, official marketing here claims that the product is made in the USA in a GMP certified facility and is formulated without parabens, sulfates, or harsh chemicals. Pricing and guarantees can change, so those details should be checked directly in the website. But as of right now, if you try visiting your website and click on the Shop Now button here, or one of their option here to buy it, currently it is priced around the $99 price from the original $150 just to buy one. Now, according to them, you do get a 30-day money back guarantee in here. So again, you may need to visit the website to see the original or the actual pricing for it as of this moment. Now, in this case, if you are interested in this product here, and since this is a skincare product, anyone with sensitive skin or an existing skin condition should consider speaking with a dermatologist before adding it to their routine, especially if you have certain skin conditions that be too sensitive for this type of products. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.